Good morning, everyone. So, now we're just going to learn something interesting because how to make your equations in LaTeX. Now, for that, you just open a file in, suppose you go for PDF to LaTeX, we make a uh, text file. Sorry, we make a text file. Call it equation underscore Devi Prasad because we will be taking the equations from Devi Prasad's work. Okay? You can take it like this and also make a Word file. Let me show you two-step process. It's easy one. It's equations Devi Prasad. Fine. Now, just before that, let's do one thing. We open this Devi Prasad up with Microsoft Google Chrome. That will be easier for me. Fine. So, okay, it is already open there. So, there is one software known as MathPix, which is freely available for a limited person. But I have a this version which is uh, bought, so you can just sign up for free. But you just check the pricing. That 50 snips. So you can take only 50 snips per month. Once 50 snips are done, it's over. Okay. So if you are a student, you can take 100 snips per month, and that's simple. So I have already MathPix here. Okay. So that's how I solved Vishal's problem yesterday. So when you open up like this, you will get a take a snip. From here, you click here and you take a snip. Okay. Accordingly, you get a LaTeX code. So take the first one because it is included not in equation. Whenever I will just clarify you, whenever we are taking some equation, you take in this form. Copy it, put it here in math type. If you have got math type, I will show you how beautiful it is. If you put it here, आ गया math type equation. Okay, fine. It is already written. Now how to do in text file, है ना? Text files. So just copy it here. This is your text. You can also keep it in Word if you want. Suppose in Word you want to keep it. This is your LaTeX code for the equation. Okay. Now let me go for another equation for them. So I have got this thing. I can always put it here, copy it, paste here. इसमें आपको easy होगा. Okay. Now this equation. Simple. Okay. Now this root over nh it became as a power. आपको दिख रहा है problem ये power जैसा आ रहा है. So how to put here edit and partial 2 and this has become a power. So you just close it here and okay आ गया क्योंकि उसका करेक्शन ठीक नहीं था. ठीक है. So it is empty set. It is not an empty set. It should be 5. They have used the wrong thing. So you just check it. You should put it 5. 5 आ गया. So that's why I say whenever you write in math type, it is very easier, you don't make errors. Okay, so you save it and then copy it and then paste it here. Okay, now whenever these big expressions come, as I've shown in the latex file, you will use multi-line. So multi-line option splits your equation into a couple of lines. Now go for this expression. I'll just show for this equation. You see they have already split it, but they haven't used this simple technique. So let me do a couple of things. You just take a copy of it, or you can just take it like this. It's taken as a photograph, so it's creating a problem. So forget it. Take a part of it. Okay, so it's already copied here. Now in order to edit, I would suggest you use math type. You put it here. Okay, ये देखो इसने फिर से गलती कर दिया था, so it should be 5. Okay, now for the next part we have to discuss here. Take it here, snipping tool, copy, आ गया, copied. We can open that math type which was already there, आ गया. Now what is this thing? NC, it was not there, it was eta C, है ना? So you just make a correction, because little things, if it is not dictated, so I think it is right now okay. So it is n eta C. So this is the equation. Now suppose she wants to put those equations in latex. Okay, so I would suggest, hold on, I would suggest you open this equation. It's one line. Go to toggle text. You see toggle text out here. Toggle text. आ गया आपका पूरा latex equation. Okay, latex में. But the only thing is that you have a dollar sign here. Remove this, because when you put it as an equation, this will create problem. Okay, now go for a bigger equation, and this expression, so it is quite cumbersome. So it will come as a what? You see this is a matrix, so it will all definitely it will select it as a matrix. Let me check. Copied. देखते हैं उधर कैसे आता है. For your second check you just put it here. आ गया. मगर इन लोगों ने फाई को थीटा कर दिया और कुछ नाल सेट बना दिया. नाल नहीं है बेटा ये. That's why I asked you in the first day. Now don't say, okay, sir, you haven't told us to do latex from the early day. I said to do math type, so it would have been easier for you to learn. Okay, इसको अगर हमको latex में convert करना है, toggle text option में आ गया. देखो ये पूरा मैट्रिक्स आपका यहाँ से आ गया. But they have one dollar sign. Just remove it. Okay. So that's how you get your latex template done. Now coming to the overlap. Now suppose if I go for this project, okay, and we would like to change these equations. We would like to change these equations. For instance, suppose I want to put this new equation here instead of any other thing. I want to put that expression. So while you, I will just write one expression. It would be easier for you. This is backslash begin. this is already showing there. Begin equation, PQUA, begin equation. When you put a begin equation on here, आ जाएगा. End equation automatic out here. Now you want to copy it. This equation, copy this equation, because it has already started with the matrix. Copy. Remember, we don't have this dollar sign, we have just removed it previously. So you just take here, begin, put it again. Let me compile. दिखाते, देखो उसके एक और एक इक्वेशन आएगा. ये देखो, ये वाला अभी अभी दिखाया था, ये वाला अभी अभी डाले थे, तो दिस इक्वेशन कम्स. सो दैट इज द सिंपल काइंड ऑफ थिंग. ये इंडेंटेशन का जो प्रॉब्लम वगैरह है, इसको थोड़ा चेंज करना होगा. वो कैसे आएगा वो बाद में देखा जाएगा. यू कैन डू इट, थोड़ा बहुत हिला मतलब एडजस्ट करके. नाउ so matrix, writing equation in matrix is done. So that's how you make it very simple, as I've already said. Now matrix is done. Now we will be making something known as a bibtex. Now what is a bibtex? Suppose I take this I take this article. So I want to find the bibtex. Copy it. Simplest thing is Google Scholar. Scholar.google. Paste here. Now check. ऐसे आ जाएगा कोई ना कोई. यहाँ जो inverted comma है, this is the citation. You take here, click on this file. This will give you the bibtex. This is the bibtex. So copy it, Control A, Control C. Make a text file. Reference Devi Prasad. References of Devi Prasad. ठीक है, इसे text file. So वो वाला, what was that thing? It was reference 1. So it is how you should label it. आप इसको reference 1 भी रख सकते हो और इसको ऐसे भी छोड़ सकते हो. But whenever you keep this name, whenever you are citing in the text, so you should do it like this. Copy, go here, and suppose if you want to cite it, and this is how you should cite it. So I just, so here reference 1 2 3 was the number. So instead of this place, you keep this thing. That will automatically relate to that citing. So since it is already there, we are not changing anything. So that's how. So you copy it, put it in the this thing. So if you want for Mithika's this group and Devi Prasad, it is reference 1. Reference 1. Now we go for our new search. So what is the new search? World man blah blah blah. Copy it, put it here, search. जब भी सर्च करोगे आ जाएगा. आ गया. Go for the bibtex. Control A, Control C. Go for reference. इसको आप reference 2 मान लो. Reference 2 मान लो. So it is a reference 2. Done. So that's how you should put all these things. Now, how many references do they have? Just check. 8 references. Let me do all these things. That will be easy. Okay. Now three references or four references. Let me do it. Go to BibTeX, Control C, Control A, Control C, and then Control V. We are good at it. Put it reference C. That will be easier for you because you have already written in Word. That's where you are going. Now, Control A, Control C, and here it is Control V. So these are the BibTeX. Till 4 or 5, I don't know. I think 4. Till 4. Reference 4. Okay. Now you want to make it a BibTeX file. No need to go for anything hard. Life is very simple. I have given you this Vishal's BibTeX file. Copy it here. Rename it. References Devi Prasad. Devi Prasad. So you see, this is a text file, BibTeX database. So you open it. I'll show you. Open it. It's already opened. Okay. In our reference text file, we have all those things. We have just now copied. Reference 345. Control A, Control C, and what? You know this. You know this. Control A here. Delete. Control V. बस आ गया 4 आपका. Save. So you see, this is the Devi Prasad's reference file. So whenever I prepare the text BibTeX file, so it is already been done. So BibTeX file is done and the equations are also done. So you know how to insert the equations. So whenever you upload this thing, and accordingly you will make a change of your name. And here you go to the proceeding, and while you upload this thing, you should upload this file. You see this reference Devi Prasad, and accordingly Devi Prasad photo. So whenever you make a folder, उसमें सारे कुछ upload कर दो. All the figures, all your cards, graphs, and the BibTeX file, and everything will be done by LaTeX, by overlay. Okay, so leave. Thank you.